What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff. Alright guys, so the market is closed for the rest of today and all day tomorrow. I just wanted to make a really quick video and tell you about M1 Finance's new promotion that they're running through the month of July. I just got an email about this a few minutes ago. I'm actually running out the door as we speak, but I did want to share this with everybody. If you do not have an M1 Finance portfolio yet, during the month of July, when you sign up for an account, choose a cash brokerage, and then you have to deposit $100 into your account. Instead of getting $10, now you will get $20 free. So the referral bonus doubled for the month of July, and I just wanted to share that with everybody. From an investment standpoint, M1 Finance is the only portfolio I really use for long-term investing anymore. Of course, I don't do any day trading or swing trading with it, but M1 Finance is what I use for all of my long-term investment. And of course, everybody knows I've made several videos about M1 Finance is that there's no commission fees, and you can buy fractional shares of pretty much any stock available on the stock market. So just wanted to share that with everybody. Well, this is a little portfolio I just started about 3 weeks ago. It's a high dividend yielding portfolio, and the account value is about $163, and I have around $60 in cash. And so my plan here is to not really deposit any more money in this. This is a self-feeding account that's just going to pay out dividends. That's what I'm going to use to invest in. And we've got some pretty bullish news this week, and the market has seen a nice recovery. As you can see, I've invested in all types of different high dividend yielding companies, showing pretty good amounts of return and getting consistent monthly and quarterly dividend payments. And I've bought in to all of these companies, guys, with paying no commission fees at all, okay? And what do I mean by fractional shares? Well, I only own $8 of value in IBM, but one share of the company cost $141. So it doesn't really matter how much money you put into these accounts. You can buy into these companies with as small amount of money as you possibly want. Even if you just deposit $10 a week into the account, you can have that money fully invested at all times. So I will have a full explanation of how to get the $20 referral bonus down in my comment section. If you have any further questions, make sure to ask them and I will help you the best I possibly can. But anyways, guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching the video.